Able to make some money. Yeah, not even some. I'm able to make money.
Hello, welcome to Kweku Tech. We are here for an IoT program here at the Kofi Annan Center. I want to have a chat with one of the executives of the IoT program to discuss what this program is really about. So, your name?
My name is Shaibu Adam, and I'm also a facilitator and a member of IoT NetworkHub. I'm into robotics, aero modeling, drone development, and more. And I also love solving problems.
Okay, I understand that. Can we know your journey, like your journey through to becoming an executive in the IoT program? Can you tell us a little about it?
Okay, I've been in the IoT community for about 4 years. Yeah. So I started working with them last year. Yeah, last year I started working with them. We'll be moving to programs and also teach people in STEM. Okay, so we've worked with Vodafone Ghana before, trained 50 girls, and also we've been working with Sarkodev's wife. We trained some 20 girls into STEM, some SHS girls.
So, did you start when you were in school, or you started after you completed school? How did you?
Yeah, I started when I was in SHS.
So, how did you get to know to hear of them before joining them?
Okay, as I started robotics, one of my friends told me of IoT NetworkHub, so I joined the community. Then, I, anytime I make a project, I show it to Josh. He was really interested. Then,
Who is George?
Josh is so his full name is Joshua Ajiman Poku. So he's the president of IoT Network Hub.
But what motivated you to do into robotics? Whilst other careers were there, what really motivated you?
Okay, as I was growing, I know how to draw. I know how to draw very well. So I was having interest in becoming an artist. But as I reached Form 1 GHS, then the interest of drawing left. And I had the interest in technology. That's where I started. I just searched on YouTube some projects, but I wasn't having the resources to make the project. So I was just spoiling things around and building my own scrap projects until I reached SHS. I completed Accra Technical Training Center. That's where I started getting in touch with all these resources, the Arduino board, the EV3, which is the Lego. I got in touch with many Raspberry Pi, the NVIDIA board. Yeah, that's where I started learning how to program and build a robot. So I had this inspiration watching these battle bots and things online. Yeah.
So, how will you describe the program as overall? Like, describe the program to someone. Is it something that people should involve themselves in? Like, the government should involve people in and those kind of things.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We want more people. Before the COVID, we were having more people coming, but after the COVID, because of we are really busy, so we don't make the flyers early to make people come. But the anytime we come for meetup, we there are people who teach about the mind, people who teach how to make money, people who teach how to invest. We do a lot. We don't just go to STEM side. We also do a lot where people can get interest and even how to find your purpose in life. Yeah, so we teach a lot. So I think the government can invest in this also, where we can teach and make STEM bigger in Ghana and across the world.
So, as a member, what are some of the benefits that you gain when you're in the IoT network app?
Okay, some of the benefit is I'm able to make some money. Yeah, not even some, I'm able to make money. And I'm able to get all these things I want to, the resources to build my own projects. I'm able to get them. Our president is able to get us everything to build your own project. So if you have a dream of this project, you just tell him, you get the list for him, he'll just get you everything. Sometimes we get it ourselves. And also, you're able to meet big people. You're able to meet a STEM member from Gambia. You're able to meet Sarkodie's wife. You're able to meet the CEO of Vodafone Ghana. Yeah, we were able to meet a lot of people.
Thank you so much for your time. We will
Thank
see you
you.
another time. Thank you. This has been a great talk with Shaibu. See you on the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. The name remains Kweku Tech. Thank you.